Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing how to make this yummy and delicious ogbono soup. Typically when making your soups, the first thing you do is to steam your protein, either goat meat, cow head, beef, whatever you choose. In this case I use goat meat and I have just added stockfish and dry fish that has been properly washed. Make sure to wash the skin, especially to avoid sand being in your soup. Then I added water that'll be enough to make the soup. Be sure to add water gradually, a little at a time, to avoid the soup being watery. This is dry ogbono that I grounded it about a week before I used it, so it was beginning to dry up, or should I say shrink together. To get this ready for the soup, it's not advisable to pour it directly into the soup, so I've added palm oil and as well as stock from the meat that I have in my pot of soup. All you need to do at this time is to keep stirring and stirring, and then everything will mix properly, and then you just pour it right into your soup. Even if it's not dried like this, you just need to mix it in palm oil and warm water and then pour, because if you pour it directly into your soup, it could get lumps eventually, and that will not make your soup nice at all. So all I've been doing is just use my spoon and then try to mash the ogbono in the palm oil and warm water. You can add more warm water if you need to, just to speed up the process. Trust me, it's not difficult to do. You just need to keep mixing and mixing and mixing until it's ready. If you want to prevent your ogbono from drying out, all you need to do is pour it into a container, airtight container, to make sure that air doesn't get into it. That's all. But the fact that it's dried doesn't mean it's spoiled, as long as it's fresh. To identify ogbono that is bad, it starts to smell like soap. Yeah, you get odor like soap in your soup, or even by the time you perceive the ogbono, you can perceive soap. If you have your ogbono that way, please do not use it. Okay, the ogbono now is inside. I've just poured the ogbono inside the pot. At this stage, I'm mixing properly to make sure that it spreads around the pot and every part, to allow all the other ingredients to mix properly with it. If you do not like the color of your soup, you're free to add palm oil. Again, a little at a time. You don't want your soup flooded with palm oil. That's my Cameroon pepper in the soup, salt, ground crayfish, stir very well. You can add any other spice of your choice, but these really are the basics. Keep stirring from time to time to avoid the soup burning. At this stage, you can see how the soup looks. Some people call this draw soup, but it is made with ogbono. There are other ingredients that can be used to make draw soup as well, but in this video is just ogbono. There are some other people who mix ogbono with okra. They use the okra as the vegetable. So subsequently I may do a video about that. So if you like this video or you want me to show a video like that, please drop your comments below and be sure to read it. And I've just added the seasoning cubes. This soup is so yummy, especially if you have enough dry fish in it and a little bit, and if the soup is a little bit spicy. Not too much if you have kids around, but not too much. Trust me, not even just when you have kids. It's not. I don't really like soups that are so spicy, but a little thing of spice like pepper will make a lot of difference. And then I just put ugu leaves. You can add okra, just okra like I said before. You can add oziza leaves. Oziza leaves takes it to a brand new level, and any leaf you decide to use will have a significant change in the eventual taste and of course aroma of your soup. If you decide to use uziza leaves, to give it a very different flavor from ugu leaves. So you can spice your soup up by changing or switching leaves based on your choice. You can even use okazi leaf to make your one, or bitter leaves. I'll be sharing more videos as time goes on, so subscribe if you have not subscribed. At this stage, you may want to taste it to be sure that everything is in order, to be sure that all your ingredients are in place. My soup is ready. Come and join me, please. You can eat this with eba, pounded yam, fufu, amala, or any swallow of your choice. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification button to get notified anytime I post. Also, give me a thumbs up, share, and comment below. Bye.